Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to transpose data. Okay, so what you have here is the product and sales columns. Okay, this is the data. I want to transpose this data. Okay, how can we do that? Okay, usually one of the very common method is that you can just select this one. Okay, the block or the range which you want to do a transpose, then copy that one, right click, copy. Then you want the transpose data to be placed in 9th row onwards. Then go to the 9th row cell, then right click again. Now you paste it. Before you paste, you can see a particular transpose T pasting is there. The paste options, use that one and paste it. Okay, this is one of the very common way of doing the transpose, but the thing is that whenever you change something here, it won't reflect there. For example, this is 44. If I change it, it won't reflect in the pasted transpose matrix, because it is already copied. It just treated this one as values pasted from somewhere to other destination. Okay, so I also show you how to do the transpose using the transpose function. Okay, so how can we do that one? Okay, because this one is the two columns. Okay, two columns, and the data is two columns and 1 2 3 8 7 rows. Okay, so it is 7 by 2. Okay, the data is the format of 7 rows, 2 columns. Okay, this is 7 rows. Okay, but the data is for 2 columns only. Okay, 7 rows and 2 columns. So you will know in advance that the transpose data is coming to the 2 rows. It is the opposite, because this is 7 by 2. Okay, so the transpose supposed to be 2 by 7. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to select first the 2 by 7, the output cells first. Okay, so 2 by 7, 2 rows, 4 5 6 7 columns. Okay, so because the transpose function is a array function, it's a array formula. Okay, for any array formula you want to use that array formula, you need to select the output cells, because the ordinary formula brings only one value. It is going to return one value, the simple formulas, but the array formula is going to return a set of values. So the set the output set you need to select. Okay, so it is meaningless when you use a array function which is going to bring array of output in. You type that function only on one cell, it is meaningless, because you are giving the Excel only one cell output, whereas the Excel returns a array of output. Okay, so what here in this case you can see our output cells is going to be the array of cells, which is 2 by 7. Okay, fine. Now the first once you selected, the first value is lighter in color, which is active cell. So you type in there equal to, as usual how you type in the formula, then use the transpose function, TRNSP, transpose function. You can see converts a vertical range of cells to a horizontal range of, or vice versa. Okay, transpose. Okay, then you select the array, which array you want to do the transpose. Okay, I want to do the product and sales. Okay, this is our range which I want to do the transpose. Then close the bracket. Now in simple formulas you usually just enter, but the array formulas, what you need to do is that you must control shift enter. Okay, so this way you can telling the Excel that I am typing a array formula, not a simple formula. Okay, so it has two requirements. One, you need to select proper output cells, and the first active cell, or any cell here, you make it active, and press Ctrl Shift Enter. Okay, so I am entering by Ctrl Shift and Enter. Ctrl Shift Enter. You can see the values are populated as in transpose. How you did it in the transpose pasting option. Okay, it is similar, but here one advantage is that the source, when you change any value, for example the 44, I change it to 34, you can see the array formula, the transpose function also changes the value respectively, but you paste it, then it won't change, but in transpose function you can change the values. Okay, so this way you can transpose any data into using the transpose function. Okay, and I hope this video is helpful to you, and God bless you.